listo pa' curar heridas y no se me olvida que no había tortillas. Se nos acabó.
Alright, y'all, so I'm sick as fuck right now, but continuation of removing the block. The head's already been out, swapped it out for a B16A somewhere over there. Well, it's been pretty hot as fuck. I've been slacking on here. Last thing I did was like around midnight, just fucking removing the axles, both sides. Just gonna get all the plugs undone, any hoses, anything else that's still connected. And yeah, gonna keep going at it. Alright, now we're on to the next side. Gonna get this axle off. 32mm. You gotta smack the little tab out on these. Wanna make sure you go ahead and remove this little kind of brace thing on the strut. Same thing down here. It's a 14 for sure. One on each side. You gotta hold one down, hit the other one. Make sure that drops loose. It should be done quick. Alright, so I already got the passenger side axle off. I just drained the tranny, and now I'm gonna go ahead and remove the shift linkage. Make sure everything else is unplugged. Possibly leak the coolant. Alright, so I finally got the bitch pin out. Dropped the whole shift linkage right here. The only thing that's left is engine harness. I don't know if I should just unplug the whole thing. Well, I'm gonna have to change it out either way. But I don't know if I should just take it out from the firewall or just unplug everything and then bring it out through the inside. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but stay tuned. Alright, so like I was saying, just gotta unplug the little shit now. The alternator. Gotta unplug. Oh fuck, maybe not. No, yeah, I gotta unplug it. This I'm just keep it on. Little hoses. This one. Couple more on that side, and then engine mounts, T-bracket, should be done. Alright, so most of the hoses are off now. I believe that's it. Only thing that's holding me back right now is this plug that goes to the transmission, which was a little messed with on our part. With these two, so I might just cut them off to see.
Trucha que se arma un convoy, marinelas con equipo, vengo en calor, no se agüiten mi chavalo.
Falto pon, traigo los barrets, un mostrón, 100 sicarios para la acción, de huevos son, la noche en día se convirtió.
Jálese